Today I was just going to show you some of these smaller cars that I have. I don't use them much. They're like an indoor type thing, I think. Outdoors, the smallest rock would probably break them if it hit it or something. They're pretty fast. These two are probably the most expensive. I didn't check all the prices of them, but I think these are mini Z's. I don't really keep track of that stuff. I think a lot of them just use regular batteries. And there's the body. Yeah, it says it's a mini Z KP-531P. Of course, I bought these two at the same time because they kind of match, right? Okay, so those, I think those are the most expensive. These are the coolest ones I think I have. This is also a mini Z. Probably says on it what it is. I can pop it off without breaking something. Oops. Now it's got lights. I don't see a sticker on it to say what the model is. My lighting isn't the best too. Okay, well, we'll go ahead and just, you don't have to take the cover off to put the batteries on this one. So, just have to be a rocket scientist to figure out how to put it on without breaking something. Here we go. So anyway, this is probably the coolest one. And then the Cadillac's pretty nice too. I think this is a mini Z. Neither is this Bentley. I think I found this at a hobby shop or something. But of course they are remote control. The Bentley's pretty cool. I don't think they were that expensive though. Let's see, the brand doesn't really clearly say, it just says made in China. And the name of a company, it's 1/24 scale. It says. Okay, now we're getting to the really cheap ones. Let's see. I'm not sure which one's cheaper, these two or this one. This is more like a toy. I just like the style of the car because that was one of my first cars I bought. Was look Not quite this fancy in the front, but it had that, and there's a Ford Mustang 69. So this is the cheapest one I have, but it's kind of cool looking. And then these are like, you know, less than 50 bucks or something. I don't know. Got clips on them. Very tiny little motors, I guess, and electronics. It's so compact. I don't even know where the battery goes. Maybe it's built in. So these, but they're pretty fun to play with. All of these are fun. You need like a different type of tracks, you know, like this would be like a racing oval track, and maybe the cars would look more cool if they were in a like a city scene driving around. Yeah, anyway, so there's just a few of my small, I guess maybe this is maybe half of them. Which one did you like the best?